YouTube will make your video commercial for free? What? That's right, YouTube has launched a video ad creation service where you can get your video ad produced entirely for free. That's a videographer for 2 hours, professional equipment, script development, editing, and a workroom to manage it all. All you gotta do is pay for the ads. Let's talk details. I'm Owen Video. Welcome back, my friends. You're beautiful. YouTube Onsite Director is now available in 17 cities. That's up from 9, which now dramatically increases the amount of potential YouTube advertisers who otherwise probably wouldn't have the cash for a professionally produced YouTube video. Now anyone with a Gmail address can request the service, which gets you a fully produced YouTube commercial shot and edited by a human being that actually comes to you. Phenomenal! All you gotta do is commit to spending $350 in YouTube ads. You'll even get a personal account specialist to help you set up your targeting and manage your ads. I went through the process myself. Here's how it works. First, you go to director.youtube.com and walk through the steps there. You'll log into Google and search for your business. You'll enter in some details about your business to help kickstart your script development. That's when YouTube will match you with a YouTube-approved filmmaker in your area. Now, at this time, we really don't know who these people are or how they got approved, but let's just assume that they're okay. When all's said and done, you'll be sent to a private workroom where you have the contact information for your videographer and also a checklist, sort of an agenda where you can manage the project. The videographer will come to your place of business and shoot for you with fully loaded equipment for 2 hours. That in itself is worth the price of admission, folks. Your video will be edited in about 7 days' time. That's when your account specialist steps in and helps you set up your targeting and boost the ad on YouTube. I couldn't be happier about this service. Not only is this a great way to get more local businesses to finally start advertising to me, but it's also great for local creators who want to make a living shooting video and making films, but aren't exactly sure how to break into that business community. I did sign up for the service. We have a shoot scheduled in 2 weeks between our live stream studio in the back and of course my broadcasting studio here. We're gonna have a ton of fun with this videographer. Would you use a service like this? I'd love to know how in the comments below. And if you liked this video, consider sharing it in your groups and on your timelines. I'm Owen Video. New uploads on video marketing tips and tricks, plus my live podcast every week only on Facebook.